Okay, so paying for post-secondary education. Okay, so today's objectives, we will identify a savings goal and plan. Second, we will contrast grants and scholarships with student loans. Last but not least, we will explain the responsibilities associated with students' loan debt. We will cover these three things. By the end, you should understand them. Okay? Are you planning to continue your education after high school? A post-secondary education experience offers a chance for you to meet new people and explore new ways of thinking. You have probably focused on being prepared academically to succeed after high school. You may even have begun applying to schools or other career training programs. Have you planned how you will pay for your continuing education? Consider the cost. How much does post-secondary education cost? Select the amount below to learn more. So $10,000. The average in-state tuition for a public four-year university is about $10,000, not including room and board and other fees. So according to this, if it's a public four-year university, for example, University of Houston downtown, it's about $10,000 per year, according to this. And that doesn't include your apartment or, your room and board. $25,000. So let's say that you decide to go out of state, to a different state. It will be about $25,000 for a four-year college. 70% of college students graduate with approximately $33,000 in debt. A trade school diploma costs about $34,000. I don't know if I agree with that, but according to this, yes. And they are probably right. Are you prepared? Do you feel prepared? Teens who say they do not feel prepared to pay for or manage the cost of college, high school, well, this is a survey. 52% of juniors said this, 39% seniors said that they are not prepared, and then 34% of freshmen say they're not prepared. Percentage, have you talked to your parents about guardians? Percentage of teens who say their parents or guardians have only spoken to them once, not at all about paying for college. So again, this is a survey. Juniors said 48%, seniors said 32%, freshmen said 31%. Have you done research? 75% of juniors have, 62% of seniors have, and 64% of college freshmen have. Have you saved money? Juniors said 39% they have, seniors 30%, and college freshmen 29%. Those are just surveys that they have there. So let's reflect. Despite the cost of tuition, books, and room and board, the majority of teens today believe that a college degree is worth the money. What do you think? Have you talked to your parents or guardians about the cost of college? Why or why not? This is just for you to reflect, okay? So you don't have to do this. This is for you to reflect. Ways to save. And as you already know, I have limited time that I can record before I run out of time. So if you are one of those students that are online, you can pause this and read it. And if you're in person, you can always log into the website and view this later. Okay, so again, these I don't want to run out of time, so you can follow these steps to set a savings goal. You can do this by yourself. You can read this by yourself. Make a commitment. Again, you can read this by yourself. I'm about to run out of time on the recording time. Ways to pay. Now, I'm going to talk about this because I think this is important. Scholarships. These are ways that you can pay for your college. Scholarships. Scholarships are monies given to colleges or organizations or institutions to help a student pay for tuition. Scholarships, you do not have to pay back. Grants are monetary gifts. They do not have to be paid back. Grants are usually awarded based on the student's financial aid. Grants are usually awarded by the federal government, state government, or college and universities. Work-study jobs are jobs where you can study on campus. Where you can study and work on campus. That's basically what it is. Student loans, those you do pay back. Okay, how do grants and scholarships compare? Match each characteristics with the correct item. Okay, so awarded by college, institutions, or organizations. This would be, I would say, grants.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's submit, see if I'm correct. No, I'm wrong. No, I'm wrong. Let's show the solutions. Okay. Okay, so how does this go down? See, I hate technology sometimes.
No, I hate it.
Okay, you guys can see this from home. I'm unable to remove that. So, students from home, you can also read this by yourself, and the students that are in person. What the? Yeah. So again, which of the following are true about student loans? You can try this at home because I think I have like a minute left. You can view this from home as well. Dreams and goals are important in life. If post-secondary education is in your future, figure out how to pay for it will be the major financial decision that will affect your finances for years to come. What do you think your education goal will cost? What are you willing to sacrifice to get there? So build your future. You can do this by yourself. You are on your way. Okay, so now that you're on your way, go ahead and complete the worksheet that we went over. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.